Hey guys, welcome to BdThemes widget tutorial. Today I'll be talking about the floating effect feature. This is not an widget but an extension for Element Pack and it's available from the version 5.10. The feature can be added to widgets or section to place a floating animation on the elements. To demonstrate this feature, we took an icon box widget and colored it. Now, click on the widget and go to the Advanced tab. There, select the Motion Effect section and turn on the Floating Effect switcher right at the start. Once on, several new options will unfold below the switcher. Notice there are 6 effects available to lay on to the content. And lastly, you can place an easing effect on it. First, click on the Translate Effect editor icon. You can already see a vertical swing for the content on the display. You can set the start and end value for the axis. For example, set the starting point to -12 pixels. If both values are 0, there will be no motion on the screen. Let's check for the horizontal swing. Drag the button to select an ending value. While you are at it, drag the start button to minus as well. You can also increase or decrease the speed of the animation using the duration value. By setting a delay amount, you may stop the animation loop for a span of time before starting again. Let's reset and go for the rotate effect. By default, the rotation is set to 45 degrees in the Z-axis. Let's change the values and see. If you turn on the infinity rotate button, the content will rotate non-stop. You may also use the X-axis rotate effect or Y-axis rotate effect. Let's reset and look at the scale effect now. Scale means the content will zoom in with a stopping effect. By default, the values are proportional. You can edit to see how it looks. Alright, let's have a look at the skew effect. This effect stretches your content in a sideways, like how you can see the use of this control by adjusting the values for Y and X axes. Another effect is the border radius animation. Border radius automatically curls up the border of the content, then reverts back. You can always adjust the amount of the radius. Also, you can slow down the loop interval. Next is the opacity effect. This effect creates a blinking effect on the content by tapping with its opacity. Just go ahead and play with the controls. Lastly, you can set the easing effect for various types of effect styles. You really need to apply this effect to see what they specifically do. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.